Hi, and happy Vlogmas Day 5. I'm running a little late to class right now, and I don't know where my phone is, so I'm gonna go find that and then drive to school. So, bye. Really quick, OOTD. I'm wearing this jacket, SDSU jacket that I stole from my sister. Turtleneck from Forever 21, pants that I thrifted, belt that I thrifted, and socks.
Vlogmas Day 5.
Six.
Day 6.
You can't really see.
One, two. History 101 next semester.
That's not dance history.
No, you're in the wrong one though.
This is our last class. Well, before our final.
Did you see those crying? Those tears?
I'm sweating. Hello, I am in this room. This is my study room I usually stay in, and I am watching YouTube videos and working on my homework. And usually I'm with my friend Randy, but he didn't come to school today, so I'm alone. And I usually like this because it's like just a room to myself. And I didn't bring my headphones today, so it's a perfect day that I could play music out loud. So yeah, I'm just gonna be studying. The thing is, like, this room down here is super quiet, so I'm pretty sure everyone can hear me talking, so yeah.
I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness.
Walking to the library because I just finished my teacher conference, and I'm gonna go study a little before I have to leave. And it's raining, and I didn't bring my umbrella. That's okay. So I left for my teacher conference with my professor for my essay, and I come back to the study room because I have an hour until I have to leave for my presentation, and someone took the study room I usually study in, so now I'm in this small sad room with no whiteboard and a sad computer. But it's okay because I'm going to study just for an hour, so it's not that long. Usually when I'm in the study room right next to me, I study for like 4 hours or so between my gap. But it's okay. It's all good. Hi! I just got to my car and I gotta start driving soon to this presentation. I'm kind of sad because this weather's sad, so it's making me sad. So I sound sad. But yeah, I have this presentation to go to at USD, so I'm gonna go head to there right now. And hopefully I don't die, because I think it just started raining right now, but whatever. Okay, see you guys later. It's raining. It's not raining that hard, but like, it's raining. And I'm listening to sad songs, because, you know, rain, sad songs, it just goes together. Okay, that's boring. My life's boring, sorry. Okay, I'm here at my presentation at USD. It's raining, if you can't tell. It's really cloudy and rainy. Currently, oh, thanks, car, for providing me light. Currently me, because I don't know where I'm going. And it's cold and wet and windy. Oh gosh, I'm gonna get run over. Hi, I just got to my car It's raining. It's been raining and thundering for a while. And my presentation was long. Well, like the event was long. But it's been raining, pouring down for a while. And I got to my car. My pants are wet. And I can't wait to drive home in this rain. I don't want to drive home at all. But I'm so happy I have a Christmas blanket here because, oh my gosh, my legs are soaked. It's so cold and wet. I can't wait to turn on my butt warmer and head home because I can't. It's so, I don't know why I fanned myself, but it's so cold. I'm so excited to go home now. I just finished my presentation. Oh look, I think, okay, it's not raining that hard anymore. I don't know, it like comes and goes, but there was a lot of thunder. But I'm gonna head home, so I'll see you guys home.
But every time I try somehow it brings me back to you. So what do I do? I don't know, no.
Can you see how hard it's raining? We at Chick-fil-A.
Again. For the third
Time. This week, I think. We're fat.
Edward. Where are you? I'm at Chick-fil-A with Audrey.
I am waiting for Jason right now. It's raining. And I think I have a leak in my car because it's getting rain on me. Like, it's so weird. I don't know how to explain. But I'm waiting for Jason right now because we're gonna play Smash. Not Smash, Mario Kart. And yeah, it's raining a lot today. Before I forget. Hello! I just got home from Jason's. We played Mario Kart. I lost. I'm bad at Mario Kart. But I'm gonna end today's vlog here. But also we're gonna start playing Smash because the new Smash comes out tomorrow. And I'm gonna try to be good at video games. I want a Nintendo Switch now so I can play video games. But anyways, I'm gonna end my vlog here today. Thanks for watching today's rainy day and all. Sorry, I heard a noise. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlogmas. And stay tuned for more. For 19 more days till till 19 more days till Christmas. Ooh, Christmas. That's crazy, dude. Oh, I pulled on my string. 19 days? Bro. My mind cannot handle this. Okay, well, bye. Thanks for watching.
There was so much happiness that we were still yet to find. Said you can call me Alex, baby. Welcome to my life.
Buddy.
We need to like find a bigger space.